Okay, here we are. This flip-flop, this is the bottom guts, and we are done with it. Here are the plugs. See how nice and shiny? They've all been cleaned. The inside of these plugs are done. All relays are adjusted correctly. See how the switches move backwards together? All of them do the same. Discs are done. They move nice and free. New fuses, fuse holders. When you're soldering, make sure you skin back the wires. Cut them, skin them back, so you get fresh copper to solder. And you get a good connection, like this one here. Okay, I don't put the guts back in the game, I just put them to the side. Then when I work on the play field, if any solder drops, it doesn't fall in all of this, because I found a lot of times solder will drip and will fall in and you can't find it. Sometimes it'll get lodged inside here. I pulled a solder ball out of here. So it's best just to leave the guts out until you're done with all your soldering on the play field. So we're going to work on the play field next. Okay, that's how it's done on the bottom part. Thank you.